Little Heroes, we're gonna review and compare these two John Deere tool sets. Let's open these up and see what they can do. This John Deere tool set says John Deere right on the front. Let's open this one up and see what it has in it. It comes with this cute toolbox. Inside we have two tool toys. See them? One is pliers, and this one is a wrench. This one are pliers, and they open up. And this one is a working ratchet. See how it spins? It even sounds like a real one. Can you hear it? This cool thing about these toys is they're made out of really soft plastic, so they're really easy to hold. Let's open this other cool toy up. This set comes with 7 pieces, including the hat on my head, this belt, the talking emblem, the screwdriver, the pliers, the wrench, and the hammer. The talking emblem goes through over 5 sayings. Let's listen to them.
Nothing runs like a deer.
I hope they don't mean Rudolph.
It's time to work on our John Deere tractors. Nothing runs like a deer.
We did one of the videos on a tractor. Maybe we can fix that one up. It's pretty cool and it makes the sound of all of those tools. Let's see me wear this. I have all the tools. Now let's press this button again.
It's time to work on our John Deere tractors.
I guess I better go work on my tractor. What tool was your favorite tool? My favorite tool was the hammer, because I can put my pictures up on the wall. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe right here to Little Hero. Bye everyone. Click on the video above to watch more Little Heroes.